Back here again at Muncie Dragway, my home away from home. Got a group of guys, Indy Hood Rats, putting on a little car thing, Midwest summer. And essentially we're just out here trying to do a little testing. So we're gonna do a little roll racing. We'll play around with that, just make sure everything's happy. And then I think they're gonna do some open testing, some digs, some index stuff. But we'll probably just do some testing next weekend, trying to get ready for a race next weekend. Had a little issue 2 weeks ago or a week ago. Got the car fixed, hopefully. So just trying to get out here and get some data. That's all. So see what happens.
So this event kicked off with the roll racing portion to start, and they told us that everyone could come up for a test pass. So I had my streetcar takeover roll tune still in the car and decided to try that out, see where it would go, what it would do. And well, let's just say the track was a lot more slicker than I thought. After the test pass, I did a quick check on the tune, adjusted a few things, and then decided to get back in the lanes. And this is where we would just randomly match up with whoever was on the other side for round one of roll racing.
Okay, I think we're doing some roll racing. It's kind of, you just come up here and pair yourself with whoever's next to you. So we'll see how it goes. The track is very, very slippery, so we're just having fun. We're just having fun. Welcome to the main event with my buddy Skyler, who's running away. Now, so yeah, we're just playing around in the rolls, and we did round one. The track was super sketch, so I just like immediately shifted into third from second and just pedaled it the whole way. It went like 144 or something, so we'll see if it gets better, but probably not. So we'll just have fun.
Heads up, folks.
Okay, we wrapped up the roll racing. I think we did 5 or 6 rounds, just back to back to back to back to back. So car did fine, nice and cool, does what it does. Anyways, got to run against a friend of ours in the final and had a lot of fun. So now I think they're prepping the track, and we'll try to just do a test hit for the race next week. But yeah, so rolls, had a lot of fun. I don't know if we got top mile an hour, but it was a tricky track and it was a lot of fun. So.
Winning the roll is $300. Awesome. The bike winner was 163.3.
Okay. Yeah,
So
I couldn't
you
get
don't
any,
get that one.
I couldn't get any traction. No, it's all good. What?
Just
Oh. No, thanks a lot, man. I
Yeah,
appreciate
absolutely. Thanks for coming.
Yeah,
Jacob,
yeah, of course. We had a lot of
Can we
fun.
get some pictures
Yeah.
together?
Oh, for sure. Here, let me. Sorry, I'm like all kinds of sweaty.
Same for index?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Now that the roll racing was done, I changed the tune over to my standard racing dig tune, if you will, and went ahead and got ready to go make a test hit. I knew how the surface had been so slick, but now I was able to actually do a burnout, which was going to make a big difference, but I decided to do a second gear leave on this one just to see where things were at. It was getting later in the night. Sometimes it can get a little dewy, so decided just to start soft and see what it would do. So.
Okay, so we just made a test pass dig. Did a second gear leave, real soft. I think the track seems like it's decent. I heard some prep down when I backed up, so I'm gonna try my 870 tune, see if maybe it'll hold, and then I think we'll call it a night then. So a lot of fun. Putting the car through the numbers, that's for sure. So we're gonna load that tune, see what it does. If it spins, call it a night. If it hooks, then hopefully it goes 870s. So let's find out. Cool. All right. So we went ahead and made another pass. Want to do a little test and tune for, again, like I said before, race next week. Soft on the hit. I think we left on like 10 pounds. So 130 on the 60 foot. Ran out the back door for an 890 at 157. So, you know, not a lot of cars were getting down the track, so I was nervous, but did just fine. So we're good to go. So we're going to load it up, take home a little bit of money from the rolls, and get ready for next week. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.